Okay, so the first program we have is going to be the rainfall program. It's going to have, for 12 different months, every month of the year basically, it's going to have the user enter the monthly rainfall, and then from there you can deduce, there's 4 different functions that it's going to return. The first function is going to be the total rainfall for the year. The second is the average monthly rainfall for the year. The third is going to be the month with the most rain, and then the third will be the least. So if we run this program here really quick, month 1, which is going to be January, we're going to enter the monthly rainfall, so we'll say we got 12 inches, 13, let's see, we got 50 inches for 4, 17, 18, 2, 22, 10, 0, 8, and 25. So the annual sum of rain is 221 inches. The average sum of the rain is 18.416 repeating. The most amount of rainfall was in April, and then the least amount of rainfall was in October. Alright, next we have the larger than n program, and this is a pretty simple program. All it's going to do is it's going to create 2 different arrays with 2 different sets of numbers, and then depending on what n is, it will return a different set of numbers given those 2 arrays. So if we run this program, right there we can see that our 2 arrays, and we get the numbers 5, 10, 4, 6, 15, and 24. Alright, last but not least, we have the grade calculator program. I couldn't get this program to function entirely. For some reason, my classes aren't communicating with each other. I'm not really sure why. But the work that I did do, we have the grade calculator that has the A, B, C has the grading scale for the teacher that was established in the problem. And in my other class, my public class, it's supposed to be an extension of the grade calculator, but it has the option to enter the name of the students, and then you input the grades for each student. And I couldn't, you'll see when I run it in a second here, but I couldn't get the, it wouldn't average out the way I wanted it to. So we'll say the first student is Jimmy, Michael, Claire, didn't type that name in right. Steve, and Joe, okay. 80, 95, 6, 3, 2, and I'll go here and I'll push Y. Oh, okay. Well, I got it to work that time. Enter the student number, say 1. And okay, well, I don't know what has changed, but my program seems to be working now, so ignore that bit about my program not working. And there we go.